This is a box that I made. It has some special features. So the plan from the beginning was to make a really cool gift box that opened in a unique way. My girlfriend said, use the mechanism that is inside lip gloss containers. But I guess that is the same mechanism that is inside these bottles with deodorant. Because when you screw here, you can see that you have a linear motion up and down there, and I think it's pretty simple inside. It's just a screw. Let's see if we can look inside. Oop, yeah, it's a screw. And we also have these grooves here that make sure that this doesn't rotate when you rotate here. That's kind of important. So this is my first sketch on how I thought the mechanism could look like. It is a cylindrical box with a screw on the bottom here, and then we have this stationary green part, and then we have this red piston part. We also have these lids on top here, so when you turn the screw on the bottom, the red part will go up and the lids will open. You also will need some guide feature for the red piston to make sure that it doesn't turn when you turn the screw on the bottom. But apparently I wanted to do it in another way. I wanted to make this thing a print in place thing, and that was not possible, I thought, with this design. So I came up with this instead. So instead of using grooves as guides for this piston part, I actually used these linkages here. I didn't know if that would work, but it was worth a shot. And also I made this screw into a nut kind of instead, because it has internal threads instead. And also I made the piston to kind of a screw instead with external threads. After that I jumped into CAD and started experimenting with the mechanism. Here it is. I printed it with red first, so the first layer is red, and then I changed to this other marble looking color. So it looks like this. Pretty cool, I think. And here is the other part, the inside. With a little heart here. You can print all of these pieces at once if you want, but I wanted to make this completely red, so I couldn't do that because I don't have a multicolor printer. But if you have Bamboo Lab, for example, I guess you could do this in one piece. And when you have printed this, what you have to do is to snap these little fuckers into place, like that. Boom. Boom. Nice. And then you can just flex these parts so they are moving like we want, friction free. and then turn the bottom piece a little bit so it moves freely, which it does now. Boom! These nice shapes here are springs, which makes it possible to stretch the material a little bit to push these arms in. So now they are attached, so now we can screw this in. Then we need to push these inside here, and here we also have some spring-like features, so just that. Now it's completed, so let's test it. Nice. Here in this you can place a gift to your girlfriend, for example. So let's see if I find something nice to put there. Here found a key. It might be a key to our new bicycle. Bismuth. This is actually a radioactive material. Even if it's very, very small amounts of radiation, the half-life is very long. If you want to download this, you can find a link to the file in the description of the video. If you want to download this, you can find a link to the file in the description of the video.